In our role as market research analysts in the HPC community, we're concerned not only in terms of what value we can provide to the vendors in the community, but what value we can provide to the end users in the HPC community. What can we do to foster HPC adoption and understanding, and how it can benefit all types of workflows that might benefit from advanced computing. So we're forming what we're calling a modeling and simulation leadership panel to look at application areas for leaders in R&D, engineering, scientific areas of applications who are interested in the use of advanced technology to improve their competitive advantage or standing in those dimensions. One way to look at the Modeling and Simulation Leadership Panel from Intersect360 Research is to think of it as a cross-industry user group, but one that's not dogmatic to any particular vendor. It's open to any different architectural approach, and more about how the use of advanced technology can improve workflows, whether it's in a particular commercial vertical or academic or government research. There are a couple of reasons why Intersect360 Research is interested in doing this. Of course, we're interested in the health of the HPC industry as a whole and would like to see it succeed. But beyond that, there's a benefit for us in terms of improving the reach of our demand-driven research methodology and understanding what the workflows are, not only among the obvious academic research sites who are easy to touch, but getting a greater understanding more and more of the commercial entry-level and mid-range users who are adopting HPC. The important thing of the Modeling and Simulation Leadership Panel is that it has the ability to benefit both the user community and the vendor community, because for the user community, we're interested in seeing how we as analysts can provide them with insights that they need to improve their overall workflow and productivity. Now, there is something that we get out of it, or hope to get out of it, as Intersect360 Research. We don't want to charge any of the users to benefit from it, but we would like to talk to them. And if the users on our panel will answer questions from us on an ongoing basis, then that allows us to inform the vendor community on an ongoing basis about what are the forward-looking trends in HPC that are going to make a difference in the evolution of the industry in the years to come. For someone to be on the Modeling and Simulation Leadership Panel, there's no financial commitment, but what we're hoping is that on about a once-a-quarter basis, we'd like to send a survey that might take 20 or 30 minutes to fill out, so that we know what you have installed, or what technologies you're evaluating, or how you divide your budget between this and that. Beyond that, there will be times when we want to pick out users of a specific type and give you a call and get your thoughts on where the industry is going on one topic or another, whether it's the adoption of accelerators, or how you're reacting to multi-core, or whether you expect your budget to grow or shrink, or how you're dividing it between one technology or another, what your facilities constraints are as you move up in scale. There are a lot of qualitative areas of research that go beyond a quantitative survey that we might also like to talk to you about, but it's really only that feedback that we're looking to get out of it in exchange for what we hope is a lot of benefit that we can give back to the user community in exchange. The benefits that we're going to bring to the users on the Modeling and Simulation Leadership Panel are that we can, first of all, provide them access to our research and what the technology trends are in the HPC industry that they might benefit from. We can also provide quarterly conference calls and insights on topics of interest to the end users that they'll help advise us on, and match end users who have similar workflows, where maybe someone who's an entry-level user might be able to benefit from the experience of people who have similar problems in different industries, and see how they can improve their overall workflows or greater organizational productivity through the examples set out through other people before them. We're very excited about the Modeling and Simulation Leadership Panel. Of course, our whole research methodology is based on forward-looking demand-side research and the things that you can learn from the user community that the suppliers on their own don't know. We've already staked a leadership position in this based on other surveys, other panels that we have access to, but we're always interested in learning more, and we're interested in giving a lot more back to the end user community. So what we hope is that anyone who's interested in it will go to our website. We have a newly redesigned website at www.intersect360.com, which has an area where people can browse all of our research, all of the topics where we've been quoted publicly or posted public information, and then people who are on the leadership panel and can apply online will get full access to all of our full reports, and it's something that we're looking forward to providing in the long term.